Hi everyone, let's do calendar. Today is September the 30th, 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's count and see how many days we've had in September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And guess what? Today is the last day of September. After today, we're going to have to change this and put September back up there and bring down October. Tomorrow will be October 1st. Okay, let's practice counting to 100 by 10s and by 5s. Okay, when we count to 100 by 10s, we start with 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's look at the seasons. We've already talked about how it's turning into fall, and we're talking about fall this week. There are 4 seasons every year: fall, winter, spring, and summer. Now, fall is the time of year when the leaves fall off the trees, but before they fall off the trees, they change colors. And you can also find pine cones that have fallen, and you can also find acorns. And sometimes animals will have to gather food to get ready for the winter, so they're rushing around looking for food to store. Some examples of these animals are squirrels. And sometimes animals have to migrate, which means to move. They go south for the winter, so they'll be warmer. For instance, a lot of birds, they migrate. They fly south for the winter, and then when it gets warm here again, they come back. So I wanted to show you some signs of fall that I found outside of the school. All right, let me just sit right here, and I'm going to show you some different things that I found that are signs of fall. All right, so I found a leaf, and look, it has turned yellow and a little bit brown. That's a sign of fall. And I have a lot of leaves actually. Look at this leaf. It has a little bit of green right there at the tip, but then the rest of it is kind of a brownish purplish color. Look at this leaf. This is a really unusual looking one. It has green and red, and it's kind of striped. Isn't that cool? Then I have some more leaves. These are beautiful. Look how bright and colorful those are. Okay, and I have another one. This one hasn't turned yet. This one's still green. It's turning a little bit yellow, but after a while it's going to look more like this one. I also found an acorn outside. Now, acorns grow on oak trees, And they're basically the seed of an oak tree. And it's fallen apart, but I'm putting it back together. This is the cap, and this is the bottom part. And I'm trying to stick it back together to show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like hanging on the tree. And guess who loves to eat these? Do you know? Squirrels love these. They love to eat them and store them for the winter. I also found something else. This is called a muscadine. The muscadines are kind of like grapes, but they don't really taste like grapes, but they're really yummy. But you have to be careful about things that you find out in the wild. You just don't eat anything that you find, but we know for sure that this is a muscadine. And then this is a pine cone. Now, pine cones grow on pine trees and other trees that don't have leaves that change color. Now, the pine cones are really cool, and inside is the seed of the pine tree. And that is all of the signs of fall that I have. I wanted to show you some letters that you're going to talk about this week. All right. What letter is this? Do you know? Capital N, lowercase n. And whose name starts with the letter N? Do you know whose name starts with N? My name starts with N. Okay, now N sounds like this. N, n, n. We have the number 9, n, n, 9, n, n, net, n, n, newspaper, n, n, nuts. And then this big thing is a n, n, nest. All right, that's the letter N. And then do you know what this letter is? What is this letter? It's the letter L. Capital L, lowercase l. Now, some people might get confused and think that this is an I because it kind of does look like an I, but it's a lowercase l. Okay, so L says l, 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 lion, l, l, lizard, l, l, ladder, l, l, letter. And the big picture is a lamp. Then the last letter is a vowel. Now, we've talked about vowels a little bit. Vowels have 2 sounds. And this is the letter E, capital E, lowercase e. E has 2 sounds, E and E. Okay, eggs. The number 8. Elf. And the big picture is an elephant. All right. Oh, I forgot one. An exit sign. All right. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.